Let's talk about the observer design pattern. In my game, I have three components that need to talk to each other. The combat component, which handles attacks, the stats component, which stores things like the player's special gauge percentage, and the UI, which displays information to the player. Here's the problem. After each successful hit, I want the special gauge percentage to go up, and I also want to show that on the screen. Now, one way to do this would be to give the combat component a reference to the stats component and the UI and have it directly tell them what to do when a hit happens, but this creates tight coupling. You're mixing combat logic with UI logic, which makes the code harder to manage, harder to reuse, and harder to maintain. A better solution is to use the observer design pattern. Instead of directly updating other components, the combat components just broadcast an event when a successful hit happens. It doesn't care who's listening, it only says a hit landed. The stats component subscribes to that event. When it hears the hit happen, it updates the special gauge. Then the stats components broadcast its own event saying the special gauge changed. The UI listens to that event and updates the display accordingly. This way, each component only cares about its own job. That's the core idea of the observer pattern.